Hello everyone, myself Dr. Amit Maheshwari and welcome to my YouTube channel that is Biochemistry Basics by Dr. Amit. Today we are going to discuss important update about next PG exam. So before going in the detail, please subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't already subscribed and press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from it. As soon as NMC has announced that NEET PG exam is going to be replaced by the next PG exam, there were many speculations regarding from when next PG exam will be started. So here is the answer. In RTI reply, NMC has declared that next PG exam will be conducted from the 2023. This is the snapshot of that RTI reply. So let's go through the RTI in detail. So the information sought was kindly give clarification regarding whether NEET PG or next is going to take place in 2023 for PG entrance exam. According to NMC curriculum released in February 2022 stated that next step 1 will be in 2026. So kindly clarify in this regard. And the reply by NMC is, as per section 15(1) of NMC Act 2019, NMC will organize common final year undergraduate medical examination to be known as the National Exit Test for granting licensing to the practice medicine as medical practitioners and for enrollment in the state medical register or the national medical register as the case may be. Next will be implemented from 2023. So it is 2023. From 2023, next will be implemented. Modalities of the next will be here once next regulation will be published by the NMC. However, it is not clear that from which batch this next exam will be conducted. Regarding steps and mark pattern of the next exam, you can watch my previous video that is on all about next PG exam. So that is all about today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.